How's it going, guys? So today I want to tell you why lead magnets are the most important asset for your business. They used to be where you could run direct traffic directly to your core offer, which is, hey, buy this or book a call. But the problem is now that we are in such a saturated world of marketing and there's 6 billion people on the internet instead of 1 billion, we want to send them to something that's going to warm them up. So for example, you could send 100 people to your core offer and let's say you get a 1% close rate. Compare that to sending 100 people to your lead magnet to capture their email. Let's say you get 30% to download, and then out of those 30% of people, you put them in your newsletter, you warm them up, and after a while, that turns into 5 to 10 customers. So now you took something from a 1% close rate to a 10% close rate. I want to talk about a few types of lead magnets and then a few types of delivery mechanisms so you can have many combinations and many options to choose from when creating your lead magnet. A lot of people like to think of the lead magnet as something that uncovers a bigger problem. For example, you'll teach them something, they will do that, and they'll find the next problem. It'll bring them one step closer to their goal, and that new problem can only be achieved with your core offer. So it's like selling them a toolkit, and that toolkit is going to bring them closer to their dream, but the next step in the dream is to hire you. You can also have a lead magnet as a software tool where they have to put their email to be able to use your tool. There's also a lot of delivery mechanisms like making it a software, making it a course, making it a physical product. And lastly, it could be a service, something that takes you a few minutes or something that your employees do really quick to bring them to the next step, which they will buy your core offer. So the 3 lead magnets that I want to talk about are either showing them a problem, giving them a trial, or giving them one step in a multi-step process. And the 4 delivery mechanisms are software, information, services, or a physical product. So as you see, you could mix and match these. It's 3 and 4. So you can have 12 lead magnets starting today by combining these. And then what you want to do is make an amazing landing page that has the main call to action and the main CRO focused on getting the person to download this lead magnet. And how you're going to do that is with trust badges, reviews, a great video, the Facebook pixel for retargeting, and much more. That's what we specialize in building here at The Good Agency. So if you want to see a good lead magnet, just check out ours below. It's a lead magnet on how to make a lead magnet. And of course, if you ever want to book a call and ask us any questions, feel free to go to our website and do so. Thank you so much for watching.